Andrea, thank you so much for joining FF News' coverage of Money 2020. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
Absolute pleasure. Andrea, could you tell our viewers a bit more about yourself and also G&D?
So I'm the head of Fintech for North America.
Amazing. Now, could you tell us a bit more about G&D and how you enable fintechs to navigate this changing payments ecosystem?
Absolutely. So the landscape has changed a lot with fintechs, and there's been a huge concentration here in North America, especially, and that's why we're here at Money 2020 to see all of the wonderful fintechs that probably 5 years ago we wouldn't have seen. And we're really looking at how we can enable and better their customer journey. So what G&D is doing is we're providing basically a customer-centric experience that we can offer both digitally and with the form factor of the actual card.
Yeah, now, I mean, with that in mind, as I mentioned, payments are going through leaps and bounds. We're seeing two-factor authentication, three-factor authentication. What do you think is going to be the biggest trend hitting payments soon?
I think you hit the nail on the head. I think a lot of biometric and identity, and something that you are, something that you have, I think is going to be a very big trend moving forward.
I love this combination of what you are and what you have coming together to create and eliminate fraud. So with that in mind, how does G&D enable fintechs and businesses around the world to pay more effectively, pay efficiently with less friction?
So I think, traditionally it always used to be about mobile first. Now it's really digital first, and what that customer experience means for every client, and it's not always the same. But with G&D, we offer the solutions for both. So we can provide a completely digital, seamless, and sustainable journey, so with paperless, as well as with the plastic. And then, we can have, if you want touch points, we can offer those type of solutions as well. So I think we can have a little bit of everything for someone.
Absolutely amazing. And we're here in North America, we're here in Las Vegas, over at Money 2020. What striking differences do you see between the fintech scene over in the US and between Europe?
Well, it's difficult to say more, I think, from a European perspective, but I can talk about, between Canada and US, which really, there's not.
Yeah.
So it's really just fintechs. They know what they want and they want to enable it quickly. I think that's one of the biggest things that we see. And there's going to be a lot of cross-border transacting that that's one of the big trends that we're seeing with our issuers.
Yeah. Is there a lot of interoperability between the two North American countries?
Yes, there is, absolutely. I mean, regulations will change obviously by region, but once they work that, the solution is still the solution.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Andrea. It's been an absolute pleasure. Cheers.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Take care.